Good morning, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and here's what this video is all about. Rearranging the sections of your LinkedIn profile. So I'll show you real quickly what you can and cannot do. First of all, there's no rearranging in here. This is called the intro box at the pencil here, or sometimes called the top card. There's nothing you can rearrange there. And then if you look, you got your dashboard and then you have your articles. There's no way to rearrange that. Then you have the experience section. The only experience entries or position entries that you can rearrange with the stack right here are your current position. So you'll see that I have 2 or 3 entries for Burriss Consulting that all have this stack right here, sometimes called the hamburger stack. There's one there, there's one there, I think there's one more, there's the other one. I can rearrange those because they're present. They're not, they don't end. But if you look at the positions that have ended, that I no longer work at, this one here, there's no move tool, there's no move tool. Additionally, you cannot rearrange experience, education, and volunteer. Those are going to be in that order. Typically, the order you're going to see them is what you see up here. Experience, education, and volunteer. That's the order it's going to be in. If you look down below that, if you look at his skills endorsements, again, you cannot move skills and endorsements. It's going to be always below the experience section. However, within skills and endorsements, if you hit the pencil right here, you'll notice that you can pin 3 on the very top, and you can rearrange those. And you can rearrange all of your skills within functional sections, industry knowledge, within tools and technology. You can rearrange these, but you cannot rearrange the functional sections. Recommendations, you'll notice that recommendations also, you cannot rearrange those. They are going to be presented in the order by date. Most recent is on the top. Accomplishments, this is interesting. You'll notice that within publications, certifications, and organizations, if you look here, there's no way to move these around. They're going to show up based on date order. So whatever the most recent date is what's going to be on the top within the publication section. Now look at this. 14 publications, 7 certifications, 2 organizations. These will be arranged based on the number of objects within each of these subsections of accomplishments. So if I had more certifications than I have publications, then this would be up top and publications would be below it. And lastly is your interests. You cannot rearrange those in any way as well. They are as LinkedIn wants to present them. I don't know the specific order in which LinkedIn shows companies, groups, or schools. I haven't done that research. Again, rearranging your sections and subsections within LinkedIn is restricted, but there is a few things you can do based on these parameters I shared here. Hope this was helpful.